Bitcoin just hits $65,500. Okay, that is crazy. That is a big milestone from Bitcoin this morning today. As you can see, it has been trailing along from 52,000 to our resistance line at 65,000. So, next level is 69 or 70,000 potentially, 73,000, or is it going to come back down into those $50,000 range? We're going to talk about it right now, and we're going to go over our Mara trade as well. As you can see, it's doing really well as Bitcoin went up. Mara, or ticker symbol MARA, also has gone up. Now, tremendous move by Mara here this morning. As you can see, it went from lows of 16.30 to highs of 18 for a 10% profit, or about $1.70 per share. That is just fantastic. And not only that, it was trading right along in this little trend line here that we can see very clearly. As you can see, higher lows and higher highs as it goes up. Buy at the low, sell at the high, buy at the low, sell at the high. That's exactly what we did today, locking in over right now 87 in profit. Currently realized P&L $96 and currently rising. So very great opportunity. I can see this pulling back a little bit as Bitcoin does begin to pull back and sell off. That's okay. That's great to see. We had a nice couple of 4-hour candles here. Really nice run. As you can see, it's kind of getting rejected on this area. This is that sell indication. So if you are trading this company, you would have bought in these areas. Let's go ahead and we're going to delete this and delete this for a second. You would have bought down in these $50,000 areas, 52, 53, 55, averaging up to sell at 65,000 for a total increase of 24%. But if you're buying these lows and selling the highs, you can easily have doubled that as well. That's exactly what we've been doing with Mara, up 4% on our total account. So if you can make 4% a day, that would literally be 20% a week in profits. My goal on this channel is to make 10% profit a week. So with that said, my goal is usually 2%. We're up a little bit more than 2% today, about double that. Really great day. Solid day. We had a plan with Mara. We identified what exactly we were going to do with it. And we did make some trades. Now, I did sell in these lower areas. And, hey, you got to lock in profits along the way. We could have potentially been up closer to $150, maybe close to $200 if I would have held all 75 shares. But again, it's all about buying low, selling high. So I'm going to wait for this to cool off a little bit, and we're going to buy into this again and then get that next rally. Now, moving forward into next week, we can see Bitcoin very easily staying along with this trend line. So it can technically bounce back. Getting rejected here, it can technically bounce back, right? It could touch on this trend line, come up maybe, come back down, maybe break out, and then it's going to end up squeezing. So it's either going to need to make a newer high up, or it's going to end up crashing down below. So there's two areas of interest here, and I'm very excited to see exactly what happens. Sorry, with those levels. So let's see what happens here. It can consolidate potentially and just sell off. Why is this so weird? Is it like this? I have to readjust it a little bit. It can do something like that, or it can get rejected and just get squeezed and come down, right? So, a couple possibilities for Bitcoin moving forward. We're going to kind of wait and see exactly what happens, but we did lock in profits already today. An amazing run. Again, shouldn't have, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Knowing hindsight, some of these pullbacks, in fact, weren't super aggressive. Could have loaded up a bit more here and made a bit more. Or just held these shares overall from those 1730 area levels where I sold 1730, 1736, 1740. 1757, 1782, 1790, and we have 5 shares still at $18, basically 17.99. So it's making newer highs and newer or higher highs and higher lows, which is fantastic. We love to see this continue to push up, which just really tells us, hey, this company is pushing up. And the reason why you can see that also on the 30-minute, this hasn't happened in a while, but it's actually above the SMA line. So when it's above this green line, it actually gets nice momentum. Had a little bit of a pullback. And if you look on the 1 hour, it's actually sitting right nicely above that SMA line, using it as support. So as this makes new highs, the SMA line, this green line here, will actually go up even more. It's a 200-day moving average. And as a 200-day moving average goes up, this should actually start bouncing and going up even higher, which would give us those higher highs, eventually getting up to maybe 23 or $27. But outlook right now, I would say probably $19. I would say 18 looks like a key resistant level right now, and 19 is going to be the next key level. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see me trade live every single morning at market open, you would have seen me trade a little bit of this in that live stream, and also going along with top gainers as well as this. Kind of seeing which ones are the best opportunities to play for the day and different swing trades. So follow along, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel if you find value in this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all in tomorrow morning's live stream at Market Open. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.